Hello, good evening. My name is Sergio Quintero. I am 24 years old. I live in Málaga, Santander. I work as commercial advisor. Greenfield is the heart of business administration. In University Drive, last number we went to the coffee hub in West Great Drive. We were in the different place like the coffee park and the Panaca. The experience were incredible. Because of the variety of activities they are in these days, we stays in a hotel for 30 days in beach near the parks. The best was the feelings of all the people. The life of the place. The coffee is as abundant climate as in the Cauca River Valley and could wait as in the Ruiz Peak in Manizales, the brink of the station the West Joe Wow. It is recommended to wear conformal clothes. It is important to avoid sockets. Coron proves the cloth of the place job environmental visit. Perform activities at night after you are in work light do not insulate. Drawing blinds of wider you do not get grit in work light. Recommendation for the trip. See well the seats you want to visit. Book the seat you wish you were going to arrive. Write life equipped or why was this necessary. Do not trade with love of cash. Support the pedal of the tail. Hey that Norway's chartered or emergency. They enjoy their trip the first. Okay, goodbye. Thank you very much.